So how much can you earn mining Bitcoin this year? Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're interested in Bitcoin mining but you're unsure how to start, or if you should even start, you want to know how much money you can potentially make, you came to the right video. Also, I will show you exactly how much money I am making right now mining Bitcoin and how much you can potentially make if you start mining today. So let's go over to the computer screen so I can show you those juicy numbers. All right, so now we are inside of my Go Mining account. This is the platform that I use to mine Bitcoin. If you want to give it a go, I will have a link for it in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. All right, so in my dashboard, you are going to see that I currently have 5 miners. They all have different power levels. As you can see, this one is 6.69 terahashes. This one's 11.22, but we'll talk about that later on. And as you can see, my total power is 23.1 terahashes. My discount is 7% and my efficiency is 23%. So the way you can start mining Bitcoin is very simple. Simply create an account and then you can create your own miner. As you can see right here, one miner will cost you roughly $26. So all you got to do is press next and then pay for your miner. You can use debit card, credit card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or you can use crypto. Once you pay for the miner, it will appear like one of these and you're going to start generating Bitcoin every single day. So how much Bitcoin can you potentially make? Let's go over to the marketplace. This is where you can purchase Bitcoin miners. As you can see right now, there are over 3,000 miners for sale. So we're going to sort by the lowest price. So let's say you are a beginner, you don't have any money to invest in, and you want to start out with the least amount of money as possible. Right now, this miner is currently the cheapest one on the market, and it is $26.07. So if you got $26 and you want to start mining Bitcoin, this is probably the easiest way to do so. So we are going to click on this miner. Once you click on the miner, you are going to get a lot of valuable information, but most importantly, how much money that miner will make you. So this miner right now is $26. It has 1 terahash and the efficiency is 20. And right below is the full breakdown. Right now, Bitcoin is going up, hitting all-time highs, and right now one Bitcoin is $117,927. So right now, Bitcoin is very high. And right below this, you are going to see the valuable information. So for example, this miner will make you $1.91 worth of Bitcoin every single month. And if you pay the fees for the miner, it will come to a total of 117 cents of pure profit every single month. Now you're wondering, what is the maintenance fee? Why do I have to pay the maintenance fee? The maintenance fee is pretty much the electricity. The fee covers the electricity cost, the maintenance cost of those miners. You can pay the maintenance in Go Mining tokens. If you do so, you're going to get a 20% discount. But you can also cover the maintenance fee with the money that the miner generates by simply clicking on Bitcoin. If you see right here, this is how much Bitcoin the miner will make. This is how much the fee will be, and this will be your monthly profit of 97 cents. So as you can see, about a 10% difference between paying your maintenance fees with Go Mining tokens or simply using the rewards that the miner generates to cover the fees. And the annual ROI is 54%. This means every single year you're going to be making roughly 54% on your money, which is pretty good in my opinion. After the miner has paid for itself, you're still going to continue to generate Bitcoin daily. So now you're probably thinking, if I buy this miner for $26, that means I will only be making $1.17 every single month. And you're absolutely right. You're not investing tens of thousands of dollars. If you invest more, you're obviously going to make more. That is why we are about to go back to the marketplace and we are going to look at the most expensive miner and how much it makes. But like I said, Go Mining makes mining Bitcoin extremely easy simply because you don't have to worry about maintaining the machines. You don't have to worry about buying industrial fans to keep them cool. You don't have to worry about your electrical bill skyrocketing. You don't have to worry about rewiring your entire house so you can get enough electrical power. And most importantly, you don't have to worry about buying these expensive miners that cost thousands and thousands of dollars. You can literally buy this $26 miner, continue to upgrade it, buy even more miners, and slowly accumulate and then slowly generate even more passive income in Bitcoin. You might start out and making $1.17 a month. You buy another miner, now you're making close to $2.50. Then you buy another one and another one and another one until you are satisfied with your monthly Bitcoin payout. Best of all, the payouts are daily. So every single day you're going to earn Bitcoin. And now let's go back to the marketplace. Let's sort. Let's see the highest priced one. All right. A lot of people put random prices, so we got to look. Let's say the highest ROI. All right. So let's click on this one right here. This miner is currently priced at $40,339, and it has a whopping 5,000 terahashes. Also, the efficiency is 35. If you look at this miner, you will see that it looks a little bit different, and the power is much higher. And now let's look at the breakdown of the numbers again. With this miner, if you pay your fees with the Go Mining token, you'll be able to generate $3,997 every single month, which is definitely a good amount of money, and it will pay a lot of bills. Obviously, you are paying $40,000 to purchase this miner, but it will pay for itself very quickly. Also, the annual ROI is 120%, which is insane. So let's say you buy this miner today and the price of Bitcoin remains steady and everything runs smoothly. You can potentially make $48,639 in 1 year. So that means you will pay for this miner completely and you're going to have over $8,000 of profit. And then the following year, you're going to make probably even more money and it will be all profit. And just imagine if you take some of the profits that this miner is earning you and you buy another miner and another one and another one. You'll be able to scale up very quickly. So that is how much money you can potentially make mining Bitcoin this year. Also, guys, like I said, you can buy miners and you can upgrade them. So let's go over to my dashboard once again so I can show you how the upgrade process works. So let's say you just buy one miner and you want to upgrade it. So when you press upgrade, this upgrade right here will cost me $39, but the ROI on it is 91%. When we do the full breakdown, this will increase my daily payout by 10 cents, and I will get an extra 175 satoshis daily, and it will increase my mining power from 11.22 terahashes to 14.46. So if you buy one miner, you can continuously upgrade it without having to buy another one, and you're going to be making even more Bitcoin every single day. So when we go over to my Bitcoin wallet, you will see that I currently have $22.10 worth of Bitcoin. And right here, you are going to see my recent transactions. As you can see, every single day, I'm mining 1,244 satoshis. And that comes out to $1.45 every single day. So if we multiply that by 30, I'm making roughly $43.50 worth of Bitcoin every single month. Obviously, I will continue to upgrade my miners. I will purchase even more, scale them up so I can get this number much higher. One more upgrade and this will be to around $50 a month. Then I'll get it to $100 a month, $200 a month, $1,000 a month, maybe even $5,000 a month. Who knows? But the goal is to always upgrade your miners, get more power so you can earn more Bitcoin every day. As you can see now, I have withdrawn all the Bitcoin off of the platform and it will be in my wallet within 24 hours. So if you're still wondering how much you can earn mining Bitcoin this year, the answer is very simple. You can earn $1 a month or you can earn 10,000 a month. It all depends on how much time you are willing to dedicate to mining Bitcoin and how much you invest to upgrade and to purchase your miners. In my opinion, Go Mining is one of the best platforms if you want to start mining Bitcoin. It is super easy to use, super easy to scale, and you can literally start right now. If you want to, the link will be in the description box below. Make sure to use that promo code so you can get an extra 5% off of your next miner. That is all I have for today. If you have any questions whatsoever, drop those in the comment section below. Happy mining. See you in the next video. Peace out.